Would you say that these days you're kind of like this in the bedroom? Or maybe like pretty good, but still a little squishy? Or are you...
This is what I wished, and this is the sometimes, and this is usually.
Have you noticed a change in over the few years in his bedroom performance at all?
Yes.
Would you tell him if you noticed it was starting to maybe not be as good?
Yes.
We are not doing it as often as we used to do it.
There's something called acoustic wave technology. It's been used in clinics all over the world. It was only available to very wealthy people. If you were able to buy a device like this online, do it in the comfort of your own home, and turn back the clock and be like you were when you were younger, would you want to buy something like that?
I would definitely try it.
We want you to take a Phoenix home with you. So this is actually $879 worth of device that will help you guys out in the bedroom. There is a guide. It's howtousethephoenix.com. It'll show you all the video tutorials, everything you need to try it for yourself. And most men will see results within 90 to 120 days of treatment. So
take the quiz and find out if you're a candidate. Go to getmyphoenix.com/quiz.